In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a bottom tow mirror on a Nissan NV2500 that is located on the side of the vehicle. Your tow mirror is held on to the mirror by a clip in the middle behind the mirror. So you're going to have to remove your glass safely, discard the glass to get to the clip. Now that all your glass is removed, if you were wondering why you see the tape is just to protect the mirror above the mirror that you're replacing. To remove your lower mirror, you're going to have a disc in here. You're going to take a pair of needle nose pliers, turn that disc to the left to unlock it, and then pull your mirror out. So you can install your mirror backing first, then your locking ring, then turn that ring until it locks. Before we install a mirror glass onto our mirror, you're going to want to take some masking tape and tape off the surface. That way it's just going to prevent it not to crack. Once you have that installed, flip your glass over. Your kit comes with double-sided tape that you need to install. Then you want to remove your red backing, which I'm going to use a razor blade. You do not want to touch this end because that end is now sticky. Now let's get ready to install it on the mirror. Line up your two sides and push towards the mirror. Now remove your tape. And now you're done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.